Hey there! Do you ever feel like your daily commute is just wasted time? Sitting in traffic, waiting for the train, or walking the same route every day can feel like a grind. But what if I told you that your commute could actually become one of the most productive parts of your day? That's right, today, I'm going to show you how to turn your daily commute into a productivity powerhouse. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to make your commute work for you: audio content. Whether you're driving, taking public transport, or even walking, you can use this time to learn something new or get inspired. Podcasts, audiobooks, and even language learning apps are perfect for this. Imagine finally finishing that book you've been meaning to read or learning a new skill, all while on your way to work. If you're driving, don't worry, you can still be productive. Use voice-to-text apps to brainstorm ideas, draft emails, or even plan your day. Just speak your thoughts, and your phone will do the rest. By the time you get to work, you'll already have a head start on your to-do list. Walking to work? Turn your commute into a mindfulness or planning session. Use apps like Headspace or Calm to meditate and clear your mind, or simply take a few minutes to mentally map out your day. A calm, focused mind is a productive mind. Trust me, this small habit can make a huge difference. If you're on public transport and have a bit more space, why not tackle some light work? Use this time to respond to emails, organize your inbox, or even draft reports. Just make sure you're not sacrificing comfort or safety. If it's too crowded, stick to audio content or planning instead. Here's a quick recap of how to turn your commute into a productivity powerhouse. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or language apps. Use voice-to-text apps to brainstorm or plan. Practice mindfulness or mental planning. Tackle light work if you have the space and time. The key is to use your commute intentionally. Instead of letting it drain you, make it work for you. So, what are you going to do on your next commute? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your time. See you next time.